Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about 3 basic problems related to Arduino and how to solve this. So we basically face these 3 problems regularly. So today we are going to solve these basic 3 problems. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. So here the first problem, if V-in pin is not working of Arduino, if the V-in pin is damaged, then how to power the Arduino. So here we are using an adapter. We connected an adapter to our DC jack. We can give power to the DC jack up to 18 volt. So here we are using 12 volt 2 ampere DC adapter. Now we are connecting it to the board and switch on, and the Arduino is powering on. So here if the V-in pin is damaged, we can also power the Arduino through DC jack and adapter. So this is a solution. Now the second problem, how to use analog pins as digital pins. So this is a basic problem. If we need to use more digital pins, we can also convert our analog pins of Arduino board to digital pins by using A to D converter. So if you want a separate video on this topic, please comment below and then I shall make a video on particularly on this topic. So this is a basic solution. We can use this IC. Now number 3, if USB port is broken, how to upload code to Arduino. So we can use USB to TTL converter to upload code to Arduino by using the RX and TX pin of Arduino. Here there are so many pins, basically the 4 pins we need: RX, TX, VCC and ground. We are connecting the RX pin of this converter to the TX and TX to RX, and then we can upload by connecting the USB to our PC or laptop, and we can upload the code to Arduino. If our USB port of Arduino is damaged, we can also use this converter. We can buy and upload the code through it. So this is an alternative solution of this problem. So thank you all.